Hi, this is Joe Eben, Kriete Truck Center, Stevens Point. Showing you our stock number PR101099. This is a brand new 2026 Mack Pioneer. Features MP13 engine, 445 horsepower. This is the high efficiency version. 12-speed automated manual transmission with overdrive. 13,200 pound front, 40,000 pound air ride rear with Meritor carriers, 2:47 ratio. Air slide fifth wheel. Disc brakes. Mack Protect Pro package, which has front collision warning, adaptive cruise, auto braking, lane departure, forward pedestrian warning, road sign ID. Let's take a look inside. Elite interior. Leather seats. Mack's amenities package, which features a 3-position steering wheel, premium sound, premium mattress, refrigerator, microwave shelf, wardrobe, reclining mattress. This unit is a double bunk, so upper mattress also. Lots of storage. If you have any questions on this unit, give your local Kriete Truck Center a call or visit us on the web, KrieteTrucks.com.